Hi, Peter. Good evening, Peter. You just unmute yourself once you're ready, okay? Hello. Just speak up once you're ready, Peter, so we can start, okay? Are you in your grandparents' house now?
I don't understand.
Are you in your grandparents' house right now, Meg?
Yes.
Oh, I see. That is why. Now, let me share my screen directly, Meg, and we will have the continuation of our class directly for a moment. Okay. So, can you tell me again what it means when we say boring, Meg? I mean, boring, Peter. Can you hear
Um,
boring?
it's not fun. It's
Okay,
not
it's
fun.
not. Okay, it's not fun. It's something that you don't enjoy watching or doing. Very good. Now, what about catchy? Catchy.
I don't know.
Okay, now, when we say catchy, Meg, it means it is easy to remember because it is interesting. Okay, catchy. It-
Dễ nhớ.
Okay.
Okay.
So now
Okay.
next one, Peter, what about relaxing? Relaxing.
It's uh I don't know.
Okay, now when we say relaxing, Peter, it means it makes you feel calm or rested. Okay, it reduces and stress or anxiety. It's relaxing. Okay, I see. So
Thư giãn.
okay, that is relaxing. Can you tell me what makes you feel relaxed? Your voice cutting out.
It's uh uh um is uh sleeping. Sleep.
Oh, sleeping. Okay. Well, I would agree with you, Meg. Indeed, sleeping, you would feel rested. Okay. Now, what about awful? Awful.
Is very bad.
It's very.
Bad.
Okay, yes, it's very bad. It's extremely bad, man. Very good. Now, what about mellow? Mellow.
I don't know.
Okay, that's fine, man. Now, when we say mellow, it means it is smooth or soft in a pleasant way, and it is often used for music, man, or your mood. Okay, it's wait, mellow.
Dịu nhẹ.
Okay.
Okay, that is it. Now, moving on, Meg, let us have the practice and tell me which of the vocabulary items are positive and which are negative. Okay. Now, when we say fantastic, Meg, is it positive or negative?
Is positive.
Okay, yes, it is positive. What about terrible?
Is negative.
Okay, what about funky?
Is positive.
Okay, yes, it is positive. Boring,
Is negative.
catchy.
Is positive.
Yeah, it's positive as well. What about relaxing?
Is positive.
Okay, positive. Awful.
Is negative.
Okay, and mellow is?
Negative.
Okay, yes, it is. Well, when we say mellow, when we say mellow, Peter, it means it is soft, right? It is smooth. So this one is positive, not negative. Okay. Now let us proceed to more vocabulary. So we have here the types of music. Do you know rock music, Peter? Rock music?
I don't know.
Okay, now when we say rock music, it is a type of music with strong beat and it uses instruments like drums or electric guitars and it's very loud as well. Rock music.
Nhạc rock.
Okay.
Okay, so that is rock music. What about heavy metal? Heavy metal.
Uh,
You don't know it as well. Okay, so now when we say heavy metal, Peter, it is a type of rock music that is very loud as well and has a strong beat. Okay, heavy metal. Wait.
Nhạc heavy metal.
Okay.
Okay, now next one, Peter. What about pop music? Pop music.
Is
It is?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know it
I
as
don't know.
well. Okay, so when we say pop music, it is the short for popular. Okay, so it is a popular music, Peter, with catchy melodies or simple rhythms. Okay, pop is the short for popular music.
Pop là từ viết tắt của nhạc phổ biến, pop music.
Okay.
Okay, now next one, what about hip hop? Hip hop.
Is hip hop.
Okay, hip hop. Hip hop.
I don't know.
Okay, hip hop, Peter. It is a type of music with rap and steady beat. Okay, rap and steady beat.
Hip hop.
Oh, it's still the same, Peter. But remember, hip hop is a style of music with rhythm speech like rapping and strong beats.
Hip hop là một thể loại âm nhạc, bao gồm nhịp điệu, lời bài hát như rap và những nhịp trống mạnh mẽ.
Okay, that is hip hop. Now, what about reggae? Reggae.
I don't know.
Okay, still, when we say reggae, Peter, it is a music. Okay, wait, let me translate it. Reggae is a music from Jamaica with a relaxed rhythm and socially conscious lyrics.
Reggae là một thể loại nhạc đến từ Jamaica với nhịp điệu thư thái và lời bài hát mang tính xã hội.
Okay.
Okay, now next one, Peter. What about jazz? Jazz.
I don't know.
Okay. Now, when we say jazz, Peter, it is still a type of music that uses instruments such as trumpets, saxophones, and it is often improvised. Okay, so wait, let me translate this one as well for you. Jazz music with complex rhythms and improvisation, often with brass instruments.
Nhạc gia với nhịp điệu phức tạp và khả năng ứng tấu, thường sử dụng các nhạc cụ hơi. Xin chào.
So is it? Okay, so that is it. Now, what about classical music? Classical music, Peter.
I don't know.
Okay, now classical music it is a traditional orchestral music and it is often instrumental and composed. The most famous classical musician would be Beethoven. Okay, classical music.
Nhạc cổ điển.
Okay.
Now, what about dance?
It's not
Snorkeling, man. Snorkeling. They are dancing. Oh, have you tried snorkeling?
It's
What is it?
Riding a horse.
it's not
Okay, playing them. Thank you so much.
Okay.
not
Now,
Let us have
when we
another
say
one.
dance, Peter, it is still a type of music that is made specifically for dancing. Okay, it is specifically made for dancing.
What is mean? What is it? Can you focus?
okay.
Now, let us proceed to the next one, Peter. Let us practice, and in here you have to fill in whether you like or don't like these to make these sentences true for you. Now, let us have the first one. I blank heavy metal.
Let's translate it.
I like heavy metal.
Then,
Okay, now what about for the second one, Peter?
wait, why can't I hear your voice?
I don't like wicked.
Okay, what about for three?
I like jazz.
Okay, what about four?
It's I like rock.
Oh, okay. What about five?
Okay, so when you say neither,
I like hip hop.
And the last one, May?
I
Last
like
one. Okay, you like pop. Okay, thank you so much for that, Peter. Now let us have exercise 6. Now, can you tell me what it means when we say can't stand? Can't stand.
I don't know.
Okay, wait for a moment, Peter.
Blank photos. Diving, going.
Now, when we say can't stand, Peter, it means you really dislike something. Can't stand means you really dislike something.
Climbing.
Can't stand có nghĩa là bạn thực sự không thích điều gì đó.
Okay?
Okay.
Now, next one. What about don't mind? Don't mind.
I don't know.
Okay, now when we say don't mind, you feel okay about something and it is not a problem for you. So you don't hate it, but at the same time, you don't like it. Don't mind means you feel okay about something and it's not a problem.
Okay.
So that is don't mind, Meng. Don't mind, Peter. Now what about a door?
I don't know.
Okay, now when we say adore, it means you love something or someone very much. Okay, adore. You love something or
Yêu
someone
thích.
very much.
Okay.
Now, what about I'm crazy about? I'm crazy about.
I don't know.
Okay, now I'm crazy about it means you really, really like something. I'm crazy about means I'm crazy.
Okay. So we have this. Now what about number 7? Messages and social media 5. Messages. Okay, very good.
I'm crazy about có nghĩa là bạn thực sự thích một thứ gì đó hoặc một ai đó.
That is what it means, Peter. Now what about I'm a big fan of? I'm a big fan of.
I don't know.
Okay, now I will translate it in Vietnamese and you have to tell me what it means.
Tôi là
Peter.
một người hâm mộ cuồng nhiệt của.
One, they are dancing. Okay, for B, then.
Okay.
What does it mean? Can you say it in English?
Is
They are diving in the sea.
is
Now what about for C? Letter C. Letter C. They are riding. Focus.
I'm a big
I
fan
don't know.
of. Okay, now when we say I'm a big fan of, it means you really like something or someone a lot.
Okay.
Letter D.
Okay, so now moving on, Peter, what about loathe? Loathe.
Okay, for E, then.
Không ưa.
Okay, they're playing with it. What about you, Len? What
Yes, Peter? Loathe. What is it?
Is Not like.
Okay, yes, that's correct, Peter. It means you hate someone or something very much. Okay, now last one. What about I'm really into? I'm really into.
I don't know.
Now I will translate it and tell me what it means in English.
Tôi thực sự thích.
It's very like.
Okay, now when we say I'm really into, it means you're very interested or you enjoy something very much, okay, a lot. Again, Peter, let us have a quick review. What does it mean when we say can't stand? Can't stand.
Um. Is. I don't know.
But we've talked about it just now, Peter, and I even translated it for you. Can't stand, it means you dislike something. You don't like something, Peter. You really don't like it. Now, what about don't mind?
Um. I don't know.
No. How come, Peter? We've talked about it all. You should, if you don't know it, you should be able to familiarize it by now because I've translated it in your language already. Okay, now can you tell me what it means when we say adore?
Um. Is. Um. Um. Uh.
What's the best way to say? Oh, sorry, the best way.
I don't know.
When we say adore, Peter, it means you love someone or something very much. Okay, now let us try the practice. Let me see if you can apply it in here. So in here, you have to tell me which of the items on the list talk about the things you like, Peter, and which are used to talk about the things you dislike. Okay, when we say can stand, is it like or dislike?
Um. Is. Dislike.
Okay, what about don't mind?
Um. Is. Dislike.
What about adore?
Um. Is. Like.
I'm crazy about.
Is. Like.
I'm a big fan of.
Is like.
Loath.
Um. Is like.
Dislike. And I'm really into.
Um. Is. Like.
Okay, it. Like. So remember, Peter, again. When we say loath, it means you dislike something. Okay. You don't like something. Same as can't stand, Peter. But when we say adore, I'm crazy about, I'm a big fan of, and I'm really into, those are positive, Peter, which means you like something, you're interested in it, you enjoy it, you love it. Okay, when we say don't mind, it means you don't like it. I mean, you don't like it, um, but at the same time, you don't like it. Okay, so you're just in between them here. So You feel okay with it. That is it, okay?
Okay.
Now, let us have this one. We'll just read it, or let us have a quick review of some vocabulary. Peter, can you tell me again what it means when we say horror? Horror.
It's very scary.
Okay, yes, very good. Now, what about romance?
It's love.
It's
It's love.
okay, yes, it's about love, comedy.
It's um, I don't know.
It's some it's a film, Peter, or a video that is funny. It's meant to make other people happy. Okay, now, Peter, I believe that would be all it for our class tonight. So, next meeting will continue with the review of vocabularies. Okay, thank you so much and have a great night with your family. Peter, goodbye, Peter.
Goodbye, teacher.